I'm Ralph Bagnall from Wood Academy, and I'm here to give you a first look at MicroJig's new Dovetail Clamp Pro Kit. If you've been thinking about using the dovetail clamps in your shop, this is a great way to get started. Now the Dovetail Clamp Pro Kit comes with a pair of the dovetail clamps, MicroJig's own special 14-degree half-inch dovetail bit, our setup gauge, the dovetail hardware kit, and a quick start guide. Now all of these components can be bought separately, but this kit is a great way to get started learning and using the match fit system. The setup gauge was originally designed for use with MicroJig's dado stop. It's included with this kit because it already has gauges in it for setting the relief groove and the dovetail depth. Any undercut bit, such as a dovetail, works best when a relief groove is cut first. This aids in chip removal, making for cleaner cuts and much better life with your dovetail bits. The relief groove can be cut on the table saw or router table. The dovetail is then cut to the same pathway, widening and deepening the relief groove. Now the dovetail clamps from MicroJig are designed to work with any half-inch 14-degree dovetail profile. But the MicroJig bit actually cuts the profile. There's a small radius in the bottom corners, which gives you a little bit better bit life, less chance for chipping. And it automatically rounds over this top corner here. The sharp edge is automatically rounded over by the profile of the carbide, eliminating a lot of sanding. So if you're going to be making a lot of dovetails, this bit is an excellent opportunity to save yourself some time and energy. Also, the cutting edges, the carbide, are mounted at an 8-degree shear angle, which gives you a higher quality cut inside the groove. These dovetail grooves give me an amazing amount of flexibility in the shop. I can add a clamp anywhere I want to or need to without having to resort to buying and embedding T-tracks. And the heads of the clamps are inside the piece that's being held. In this case, this is a tall fence for my table saw. No need to build a box structure around my rip fence to hold it, and the head is embedded inside the fence, so it's not in the travel path of the work I'm doing. The same piece that acted as my tall fence can become a taper jig or even a simple straight line rip jig if I don't happen to have a jointer in my shop. And the clamps themselves have become the handle for holding everything. The dovetail hardware works in the same dovetail profile as the clamps. The kit comes with both screws and nuts, all in 1032 thread, as well as matching clamping knobs. This dovetail hardware is what I use to secure the fence in the miter gauge upgrade episode of Wood Academy TV. Whether you're building simple accessories for your existing tools or designing highly complex sleds and fixtures, the match fit system from MicroJig provides a cost-effective yet very versatile system for positioning, holding, and clamping whatever you're working on. And if you'd like to begin using this system in your shop, the Dovetail Clamp Pro Kit is a great way to get started.